Alright, I'll just keep this short today. I got a bunch of work to do, but I got a point back I found on my channel. You can see there's the point restored. There's what the point looked like when I found it on my channel, and I will put a link to that in the description below of the video where I found a point. It was a while ago, this year, I don't know, 7-8 months ago, I'm not sure, but he did a beautiful job. He's calling it a Garth slaw, which it very well could be. I looked at them in books, and this is probably like a first form one or something, but I find Kanawha bifurcate points here on this site, and they kind of tie in to these points. So but he did a really nice job, and it's a lot better piece now. You can see what it went from this to that, so real nice. I recommend this guy. It's at chinstone.com. He's affordable. I think he charges just like 20 bucks for this one, and I did another one on my channel too. You can watch it. Turned out just as beautifully as this, a black side notch. I will put a picture of it at the end of the video, restored. He does a nice job, and if you have points that are just a little bit damaged, I recommend maybe sending them to this guy. You know, how nice would this look in a frame with this point on like a black background with this certificate in the frame? It makes a, you know, broken, what's that worth, 20 bucks maybe at a flea market to somebody, but restored like this, it's, you know, it bumps it to 50 bucks in a Riker mount all day long. So thanks for watching, folks. Later.